Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lamise O. I know it's been a while, but I am back. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review of this beautiful juicer for you guys since quarantine have been taking a toll on me. So I decided to do a couple juices and thank God they sent me this juicer. But anyways, this is the CalmDo Masticating juicer. And as you can see, it is a white color. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the part so I can show you guys how to put it together. And I will be doing a little juice with you guys, okay? So don't forget to check the description box where I will list every information about this juicer. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, I want to say a big thank you to CalmDo for sending me these products. I really appreciate these. I love doing reviews. That means I get to test out new products. So this is all the parts that came with the juicer, okay? Of course, you have the motor and everything. So these are all the parts. I did use them once already, but I took it apart just so I can put it together with you guys. In that packet came a nice little instruction card. And also what I love about this company is they always include a nice card. Look at how cute that is. A nice thank you card. And in there, you will have a chance to win a $300 gift card and some other amazing products, okay? And of course, they have a quick installation for the juicer. Okay, I don't need that because I already went ahead and did it. So as you can see, this is the motor, and it have a start and stop button, and also have a reverse button. So when you're vegetable or fruits are stuck, you can do a reverse to take it out. And I am going to start by putting this on. When I put it on, I like to push this lock button and just kind of push it just like that. I'm not too sure what every part is called. And then put this in just like that. I hope you guys can see. And we are going to put the filter. They have two. They have a white one and they have a clear one. I like to use the clear one because I am going to juice some, I'm juicing some carrots and I don't want it to stain the juicer. Even though I know I can clean it easy, but I still want to protect it as much as I can. So now I'm going to put this on. Again, this is super, super easy to use, you guys. And I'm going to put that little thing that will push the vegetables or the fruits down. And it comes with 2 cups, okay? One to collect the pulp, which we will be placing right down here. And then one to collect the juice, which you'll place right down here. And also have like a spill stopper. So if you don't want, if your cup is full, you want it to stop, you can always close it. So the liquid is not falling. Let me turn it and show you guys better. You can see. Okay. So far, I've really enjoyed this. And again, the pulp will come out through here. And the pulp is supposed to come out nice and dry, so we will test it together. So let me gather my vegetables and my fruits, and we can start juicing. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also Snap. And also, I will leave the link of their Amazon so you guys can purchase this for your own. This is super affordable. It's super small. You can put it in any kitchen, really. So really easy to use. So we're going to see how it works. That way we can judge for ourselves. Okay, guys, what I have on hand to juice is a couple apples, and I have some carrots and 1 pear and a piece of ginger. That's actually all I have right now that I could juice. I unfortunately don't have any green vegetables, but of course you can add some spinach or kale to this, okay? And you can also add some celery, because that have a lot of juice. And I forgot to mention to you guys, it does have a suction cup on the bottom, so your juicer is really not going anywhere if you put it on something that it can suck onto, okay? So it's not really going anywhere. And you can also make ice cream and sherbet in this juicer. So that's definitely a plus. Please do check them out. So I already went ahead and plugged it in. I'm going to start. You can barely hear the motor. It is super quiet. Okay. So I'm going to go and start and put in some carrots. Again, if it's not going down, you can use this to push. And the pulp is pretty dry, which is good, even though these carrots are not giving me as much juice, but it's not the machine's fault. Let me know if you guys have been juicing, what this quarantine, this corona is doing to your body. I try to go to the gym, but you guys know the abs are made in the kitchen. As much as I love Haitian food, I do love me some good juice in the morning to get my day started. This piece is being a little stubborn. Just go ahead and press it down. Oh, I like. Like I said, it is really quiet. I'm not sure if that big piece of apple will make it in there. And it does. That's a plus. CalmDo really have some good quality products that I can't take away from them. I'm going to put the other apples. Let me know what's you guys' favorite thing to juice. Give me some other juicing ideas down in the description box. Share your recipes, guys. Don't keep them to yourself now. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. I have some new recipes coming. Like I say, I know it's been a minute, but I am back. Put a couple more apples. I don't even feel like I have that much in there, and plenty of juice is coming out, which is perfect. I just wish this was like a green juice, but I can also go get the stuff and make green juice tomorrow. So I'm pretty excited. Okay, so now, as you can see, the pulp is nice and dry. You can use this to do whatever you wish. You can throw it in your garden if you are still gardening in your area. As you guys know, I live in North Dakota and it's starting to get cold. And these are dishwasher safe. So to remove them, simply just take them out the same way we put them in. This is the juice. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. I'm going to place it to the side. Okay. And I'm going to remove this first. I'm making a mess. This is why I had the cutting board there. So just twist. Again, this is dishwasher safe. You don't want to start. If I'm you guys, I will definitely unplug it first. I did not unplug it. As you can hear, it almost started on me. Okay. So make sure you unplug it. And this, you should try to wipe it down as soon as you are done because you don't want anything to stain. Again, you can easily remove that stain, but just to prevent it, as soon as you're done using it, I would recommend you cleaning the item. Okay, just like that. And I will just put that to the side. You can see the lock and unlock. Super easy to use, super small for any kitchen. Just really, really simple. And look at the beautiful juice. Again, if you want to add some celery, you can definitely add some celery to yours. Just put some ice on there. I don't really like my drinks that cold, so I'm going to use mine without ice. And just look at that. Oh, look at that. Cheers. All right, this will do it for this video. Again, don't forget to check the description box where I will put the Amazon link to your so you can get your own juicer and put it to good use this winter, guys. We're all about the, what does Megan Thee Stallion say? Summer body or whatever she said. But we're all about the winter body over here, okay? This summer I was eating too good, and now I am about to get my body back this winter. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, I love you guys so much for watching. Please continue to stay safe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.